Bring him in. Bring him in. And Mushu. Don't forget Mushu. Why did you bring in Mushu?
All of them came in. Even Smokey.
Oh, okay. Ah, the vicious bees.
Smokey cat.
Don't touch the cat. Oh, why are you touching the cat?
Oh, hey, kitty cat.
He's not a kitty cat. He's a cat.
Dominic, keep on touching it. Here, sit.
Mogi, you're not helping with the video directing.
Okay.
That way, you blind dog. You gotta be faster. Stop!
He might be on you.
Hello.
No!
Gotta be faster than the dog. Well, get away from me. I don't like you.
Come on, let's check out.
I don't like the dog. Not my fault. Mogi, you're not helping.
Back and forth.
Give me it.
Hey, dude, keep on throwing it back and forth. I'm driving crazy. Get it! Get Oh God!
Let me see it.
He's retarded.
Let me see, Anthony.
Ow.
Let's do that over there.
Get it!
Get it,
Wait, too far.
God's gonna break something.
I'm scared of him.
Oh, the heart of a lion you have, don't you, dog? Anthony!
Here. Ken. Come on. Come on. Sit down. Good boy. You won. Hey, Blitz. Good doggy. His butthole was in your face when you were sleeping. Are you recording this?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
You never noticed that?
No.
Oh, he's begging, Anthony. Let me have it. He's begged. Oh, gee, you don't. No, don't attack the cat. Don't attack the cat.
Don't attack the cat!
Want to see how hard they can hit?
Huh?
Want to see how hard they can hit?
No.
Okay.
Do you want to see how hard I can hit?
Oh, I'm terrified.
Yeah!